We may sometimes be asked to find a percentage of a particular amount, whether this is regarding a discount, so a decrease, or an increase of a particular percentage too. There are many different ways we can find percentages of particular amounts. One of the most common ways is to find 1% of the amount and then multiply it by the percentage we are looking for. For example, if we are asked to find 20% of 400, we can find 1% first by dividing 400 by 100, because percentages are out of 100. If we do so, we find that 400 divided by 100 gives us 4, and this is our 1%. Now we take this 1% and multiply it by 20 to find the 20% that we were looking for. Multiplying 20 by 4 is 80. So we now know that 80 is 20% of 400. This method can be done regardless of the percentage or the amount. There are variations to this technique. We could have multiplied 400 by 20 and then divided by 100, which would give us the same answer. One of the quickest ways to find a percentage is to use what we call percentage multipliers. If we were to convert our percentage to a decimal, we can directly multiply our amount by that decimal to find the particular percentage. For example, if we are asked to find 75% of 90, we can convert our 75% into a decimal, which is 0.75. We will look at converting fractions, decimals and percentages in a later video, but for now we've converted our percentage to a decimal by dividing by 100. Now we can multiply 90 by 0.75 and this will give us 67.5, which is 75% of 90. Again, this will work regardless of the amount or the percentage. I hope this has helped and you understand a little bit more about finding the percentage of an amount.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.